So hello guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm gonna tell you how you can create a first stop motion only using your mobile phone. And here's what are you going to make in your next 8 minutes. So I'm gonna tell you what materials are required for making this video. A plain color sheet. Here I'm taking handmade sheet and to stick it on the table for the background, and a mobile phone with an app named STOPMOTION Studio for making the video, and a tape to stick the background on the table, and a tripod, a scissor, and a product which we are gonna use as Cadbury. And please use artificial light rather than using natural light because it affects a video a lot. So let's start making a video now. So firstly I am taking my plain color sheet and sticking it on my table using sellotape. And now after sticking it onto my table I am setting my tripod. Now let me explain how you can use STOPMOTION Studio. Open up the app. The interface will look somewhat like this, and you only need to use this onion bar to make the video. Increase it a little bit because it will show you the previous footage or the photo that you have taken and will help you to place your object carefully and in a good manner onto the stop motion clip. So let's start making our stop motion. So firstly I've adjusted my phone on the tripod with the using of a tape because my tripod is not as good as yours one. So we will place our object or the subject in the middle of the camera, and now we will take a clean plate, and now we will slowly take our object near to the background and clicking each photo, and now move it a little bit and again click a photo and again a little bit more and take a photo. And now here you can use the onion bar. See, you can see the previous screenshot with really light opacity, and you will be able to place objects in a good manner. So here I am taking my object to the middle of the screen, so here like this, and I am able to place it properly. This was literally a very long process. It took me almost 20 minutes. So now after completing this I am shooting the second sequence, which is the biscuit packet coming out of the box. So I have cut the box a little bit and opened it, and now I've opened it a little bit, take a photo and again open it, take a photo, then again open it and take a photo. Here now when it is open completely, we need to take out a biscuit from inside the packet, and firstly we need not to show the biscuit. Then in the next frame we need to take the biscuit packet out a little bit and take a photo, then more out, then take one more photo and more, again take a photo, and like this take the photos and take your biscuit packet out of the box. Now after taking out the biscuit out of the box, we need to cut out the biscuit packet. Cut it a little bit and take a photo, then cut more and then again took a photo, then cut it completely and took a photo again. Now when the wrapper is teared down, we need to make a shot where the wrapper is leaving the sequence. So here I've taken the wrapper a little bit far away the wrapper and take more away from the wrapper, and make sure that you make some movement in the surrounding objects. So here when the wrapper is completely out of the frame, we will take a sequence in which the biscuit is coming out of the packet. So we will open it, and now we will take out the biscuit inside the packet. It's so sweaty, man. Now it's a little bit out of the packet, and take a shot now, and now take it out more of the packet and take one more shot, and do this until the biscuit is out of the packet. Now when the biscuit is out of the packet, move the packet away from the biscuit. Now eat a little bit from the biscuit and place it on the position with the help of onion bar. Now adjust the surrounding and take one more bite and place it with the help of onion bar. And now eat the biscuit until the biscuit is completely finished. And the biscuit was too yummy. And now this is the last bite. I've completely swallowed it. Now take a clean shot of the biscuit. And now when the biscuit is gone, we need to take a sequence of the box, taking the wrapper and moving away from the shot. Now we will move the wrapper towards the box and take it inside the box. Now when it is in the box, we need to move the box away from our shot. So here I am taking the box out of the shot. So now we have finally completed our video, but now we need to preview it. We will click on this preview button and we will see a preview. So I have shot it in a upside down perspective, so I am getting a upside down preview because I am not having a well-to-do tripod. So now after completing this, we need to go in KINEMASTER and do something changes. Now go back, select the movie by holding it. Now click on the share icon and click on export movie. Now click on save as. It will save the movie. And now change your movie name. I am keeping it stop motion. By the way, it's also my first stop motion. I've learned it in the 5th class, I think so, and making it now in the 9th class. So now we are in KINEMASTER. We need to bring our stop motion footage, and we have it now. We need to rotate a bit because I have shot it in upside down perspective, so I make it straight. And now we will duplicate it as a layer. And now delete the main layer and click on media and drag down a black background and increase the duration as per the stop motion, and click on cropping for the video clip and crop the unnecessary parts of the video. And now as you can see, I am having my hand in the footage, so I will use the keyframe to remove my hand. And now I am adding some music for the background, so I have taken a music called Hidden Agenda. You can also use it, and it's sounding really nice. And now we will add a sound effect of eating the biscuit. I have taken a Minecraft eating sound effect and put it where I was eating the biscuit. So now finally you have made your first stop motion, and you can export your video and enjoy the final result.